So we're chasing a Misfire. This one was on cylinder 6. It's on a GMC, but this goes for any car that has spark plugs. So it has 140,000 miles, and you can see these little squiggly lines that are carbon tracking, and you won't be able to scratch these off if it's actual carbon tracking, and this is what's causing the misfire on this one. So like this was a dirty plug, but if you wipe it, it comes clean everywhere. This one, it's got this carbon tracking, and you can see it's tiny little lines right there where instead of going through the spark plug, it's actually sparking around the outside, and I can scratch this with my fingernail and it's not coming off. That's actual carbon tracking where it's actually sparking outside the spark plug. And you can see where right here where it's jumping out to the block. So this has 140,000 miles on it, and it will getting all new spark plugs and wires, because if you look down inside the boots, it's not going to show up on this, but there's also the carbon tracking where the boot right about there, you can kind of see where it's been eating at the boot. And so if you put this old boot on a new plug, it's just going to keep on going through the outside, because it's easier to do that than it is to go through the spark plug.